Good morning, everybody. I am out of Italian seasoning, so I'm going to make up some more Italian seasoning. And I figured I'll just bring you guys along with me. Now, I make it different pretty much every time, but just how it rolls. But I normally start with a good 2 tablespoons of oregano, a good oregano base there, a tablespoon, okay, we'll go a little healthy tablespoon of basil. This one's my thyme. A tablespoon of thyme. Good healthy tablespoon of parsley. And a tablespoon of marjoram. Let's give that. You can add onion and garlic if you want. I don't. Even when I could eat it, I never did. Okay. Oh, actually, that looks really dusty, but looks really good. Let's see. There you go. Nothing better than homemade. So I'm going to clean up and continue on with what I'm doing. But there you go, my Italian seasoning. Very straightforward, very simple, and never the same anytime I make it. So hope you guys have a good one. Bye.